Hey guys, again welcome back to my channel Anxiety. So welcome all IELTS seekers to my channel. So this video is about the review video of today's exam, that is 17 September 2020 Real IELTS exam review. So I included both the morning section and also evening sections together in this video with answers. So I got some of the answers for listening and all, so I included that. So first we'll see regarding the morning section. In the listening module, the part 1 was fill-up type question, that was one word only fill-up and it was easy. And in part 2, they got MCQs along with map completion and it was also easy. And in part 3, they got MCQs along with match the information type question. It was easy to moderate. And in part 4, again, they got fill-ups, that was one word only fill-up. But the audio was little bit fast as previous exams. That's why it find easy to moderate. But overall, the listening section was easy. Now you can check out some of the answers which I got. First one, Makaro, M-A-K-A-R-O. Second, CT. Third one, 7193 CF. 4 glass, 5 oven, 6 umbrellas, 9 table, 8 bikes, 9 total, 10 stone. 11B, 12A, 13B, 14B, 15A, 16A, 17G, 18E, 19A and 20B, 21A, 22A, 23B, D, 24A and 25D. 26 to 30 I didn't get the exact answers. 31 existing, 32 standard, 36 mixture, 37 children. Then other than that, these all are some of the answers in part 4, but I don't know the exact order. Commerce, British, limitation, dominant, Greek, swing and rare. I think glass was not there. Glass was already the answer for fourth one. So now we'll see regarding the reading module. The passage 1 was related to the happiness. The topic was something related to happiness. The questions was list of heading, MCQs and match the information type question. And the passage was easiest one. And in passage 2, they got the questions in the form of fill-ups and yes, no, not given type questions. And this passage was in easy to moderate level. Some of the students told that it was easy, but some of them told that it was little bit tricky. In passage 3, they got the questions like MCQs, match the information and true false not given type question. But this passage was completely tricky and somewhat difficult. So overall, we can say it as in moderate level, moderate to tough. Then regarding the writing module, the task 1 of academics was a table and it was quite easy. And in task 2, they got opinion type essay. Okay, so I will show you the question here. Today, many children spend a lot of time playing computer games and little time on sports. Why is it? Is it a positive or negative development? Actually, it's somewhat a two-part type question. So we want to answer for both the question. Why is it? We want to give reasons for that and you need to tell whether it is a positive development or a negative development. Okay, so anyway, we want to start off with the introduction. In recent years, digitalization has had a severe impact, especially on children. The impact of urbanization and modernization has been very severe and this has led children being addicted to online video games in favor of outdoor sports. In my opinion, this practice has have more negative effect rather than positive result. Here in this essay, I will discuss the reasons responsible for such a development along with the negative aspect pertaining to the issue. So I am moving on with the negative development. So in the first body paragraph, to begin with, urbanization has resulted in elimination of playgrounds from cities and towns. That's my topic sentence. Consequently, this has resulted in the construction of shopping malls and huge buildings. Thus, children do not have the necessary place to play outdoor sports. For instance, a survey in Mumbai revealed that approximately 40% of open land was used for construction purposes since the start of the millennium. In addition, the security of children is another issue as parents are worried to send them outside to play. So parents engage their children by letting them play online video games. So that's the answer for the first part of the question. Then, however, studies have shown that playing video games for a longer time is known to have detrimental effect on the child's body. So we are moving on with the negative development only. Although it enhances mental learning skills, but it also known to have an effect on physical and other mental activities. For example, recent studies have established a clear relationship that a sedentary lifestyle leads to obesity in children. Furthermore, physical activity helps a child in the development of cognitive ability like decision making and problem solving. In addition, sports also teach various other lessons like team management, cooperation, team spirit, and ability to take success and failure alike. So that's about the negative side. Then the conclusion. To conclude, although playing video games keep children engaged for hours, it does not overall help in their development. Thus, I strongly believe that spending too much time playing online games is harmful for the upcoming generation. So that's all about the essay. Now we'll see regarding the review of evening section. First, we'll start out with the listening section. In part 1, they got Phillips. Part 2, MCQs and match the information type question. Part 3, they got MCQs, and part 4, they got Phillips. But overall, the listening section was easy. Okay, and moving on to the reading module. Reading module of academics. First, we'll start out with the passage 1. In passage 1, they got true, false, not given type question and also Phillips. But I have some confusion regarding the question types. So if there is any correction, means you can comment that below. In passage 2, they got match the information type question and also selection of letters. This passage was in moderate level, and in passage 3, they got the questions in the form of yes, no, not given and also match the information type questions. This passage was also easy to moderate. So overall, same like the morning section, the reading section was somewhat moderate. The passages was a little bit tricky and confusing. Okay, that's all. So we can set it as moderate only, moderate to tough. Moving on to our writing module. In task 1, they got bar graph. It was a single bar graph and it was so simple and it was easy. Okay, I didn't got the exact question. If I got that, means I will prepare one more video regarding that. Anyway, moving on to task 2, the question was outweigh type question. That was advantage, outweigh, disadvantage, that mode of question. It will coming under the discussion type. Okay, and I will show you the question here. Many countries aim to improve their living standard by economic development, but some important social values are lost as a result. Do you think the advantages of economic development outweigh the disadvantages? So you want to give more importance to advantage. Okay, so it's an outweigh type question. So you want to write at least 3 body paragraph, not at least, you want to write 3 body paragraph. Here you can see the model answer. First, we want to start out with the introduction. Many leaders around the world believe that improving a country's economy will bring development in many other aspects of a country. However, some people point out that focusing too much on financial prosperity has caused traditional values to be forgotten. Although I agree with their view to some extent, but I believe that the benefit brought by a good economy far away its drawbacks. We'll discuss that in upcoming paragraph. That means here I am going to give more importance to the benefits, the advantages only. So first I want to start out with the disadvantages. Admittedly, there are few downsides to placing too much importance on economic growth. Striving for the financial gain can cause citizens to become money-oriented and more materialistic. People overindulge in luxuries and eventually traditional societal values such as value of moderation rather than excess are lost. Happiness will be defined by one's material possessions and children will think that everything can be bought with money. Moreover, parents are so busy working for money that they overlook the importance of family and the value of close-knit family is often forgotten as a consequence. Okay, so that's about the downside. Then the second body paragraph, we'll start out with the advantage. On the other hand, a financially stable country has many advantages over a poor nation. A healthy economy means better job opportunity, high employment rate, higher income for the citizens, and economically strong government can invest in the country's infrastructure such as schools, hospitals, transport network, resulting in more educated and healthier citizens who enjoy higher living standards. This can lead to a significant reduction in many social health problems such as illiteracy, crimes and poverty-related diseases that are faced by countries with financial limitations. Moreover, it is generally true that The happiest countries in the world are the ones that are doing financially well, such as Norway and Denmark. So in the third body paragraph also, you can add more advantages because it's an outweigh type question. So you can add more advantages in the third body paragraph too. Then you want to conclude your essay. In conclusion, you can just restate the main points. In conclusion, I believe that every countries need to work towards financial development as it brings more advantages for its citizens. However, individuals ought work together to attain the financial goal while preserving the important social values. So that's all about your essay. So I think these models will help you out. Yeah, anyway, that's all about today's exam review. I think you are clear with the morning and the evening section. So if you find this video helpful, means please do share that with your friends who already wrote today's exam so they can just rewind the answers and all. Anyway, hope to see you soon. All the very best for your future exams too. And if you want to get more IELTS related updates, please do subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon nearby. And try to select the all option too. So thank you so much and stay tuned. I will be back.